Are you getting up late? Are you rushing out the door to get to the school bus? Do you hate waking up in a bad mood? If so, try this fantastic idea. Presenting the Tickle Machine. With just a push of a button, the Tickle Machine will wake you up in a flash. Instead of an alarm clock, try the Tickle Machine. The way it works is simple. You simply push a button and just like that, it will change the alarm to earlier or later, change the time setting, and on and off. With its soft feather and tickle brushes, it will wake you up pleasantly. Call 1-800-TICKLE-ME-FUN. You must be 18 or older to order. $10 plus shipping and handling.